how to use Bet Builder in Bet365. So for getting started, all you have to do is log in to your account or create your Bet365 account, remembering to use any bonus codes. Select a competition you would like to bet on, so possibly something like this. But once you do so, all you have to do is start building your bet by selecting which match you want to bet on. So in this instance, they have choose Liverpool versus Manchester City in the English Premier League, and you'll be given the option to start adding the markets you want to include in your bet. So a full list of the available markets become available, and as highlighted above, you can click on each heading to see what options within them are. Steps is to pretty much build your bet, and once you've done that, you can go ahead and start placing the bet that you have for that specific build. But anyways, hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.